The Karnataka Caste Census Commission has recommended raising the OBC reservation quota from 32% to 51%, which would push the total reservation in the state to 85%. The much-awaited socio-economic and education survey report, popularly known as the Caste Census, was submitted to the government in February last year and was presented to the Karnataka Cabinet on the 11th of April. The State Cabinet will discuss the report in a special meeting scheduled for the 17th of April before deciding whether to adopt these changes. The Caste Census Commission has already in fact recommended increasing the reservation quota of OBCs from current 32% to 51% for education and employment in the state. If implemented, this will raise the total reservation in the state to 85%, including 10% for the economically weaker sections and 24% for SC/ST. Horizontal reservation provides quotas for categories like women, persons with disabilities and the like across all vertical reservation groups such as SC, ST and OBC.
ಮಂಡನೆಯಾಗಿದೆ ಮಂಡನೆಯಾಗಿ ಅದರ ಶಿಫಾರಸುಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಕೆಲವು ಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಆ ಶಿಫಾರಸುಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅದು ನೋಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ಗುರುವಾರ 4 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಬಿನೆಟ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ನೋಡಿ HK ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Yesterday the report was tabled in the cabinet. Next week cabinet will take up a discussion of the report, and by then we will up until yesterday the report was in a sealed box. The seal was only opened yesterday, so we are now this week we will apply ourselves to the contents of the report. We will discuss it extensively and we will also be receptive to public suggestions, criticisms, and based on that cabinet will discuss and then we will decide the next course of action.
Government of Karnataka has taken up caste census on the basis of social, educational and backwardness angle, and they have submitted their report. Mr. Hegde has submitted his report, and that report today was placed to the cabinet, and the cabinet has discussed in brief, and we have decided that we should meet again on 17th. A special cabinet is convened on 17th of April.
They are just trying to do all these things with a political motive to divide the society on caste line, to only give false information, false data. There is no true data. This is all false data being provided, for which most of the people in Karnataka are against. They had requested the government to do it very scientifically, systematically, go to each and every house, collect the data, do it rightfully. People are not against caste census. People are for caste census. They are most welcome to do the caste census, provided they have to do it systematically.